Greetings, YouTube. Yesterday I had the fan going, and today I got a sweatshirt on. Gotta love New England. Today's article I'm going to be referring to is from last month. Ontario's highest court has declared that brothels are legal. Now, this means that instead of having to use streetwalkers having to have like a pimp of some variety, you can actually have a proper brothel which will have a safer working environment for sex workers. And it's important to remember that sex workers are workers and they deserve a safe working environment, just like everybody else does. Now, there are going to be people who are going to start crying and screaming and saying that, you know, prostitution should be illegal. Good luck with that. It's never, ever going to go away. There is a need in our society for prostitutes. It's always existed. You can argue that it shouldn't. I won't fight you on that. But it's there, and they've always been with us. So if they're going to exist, they should have the right to have a safe working environment. Now, for the moralists out there, get your butt out of my face, cat. For the moralists out there who would like prostitution to become illegal, well, the first thing you could do is decriminalize it, flat out. You're asking yourself, well, why if I want to get rid of prostitution, do I want to decriminalize it? Well, you want to decriminalize it because if you want someone to stop being a sex worker, the one thing they don't need is a criminal record. So if you decriminalize it and they stop getting arrested and racking up a criminal record, they're going to have a much easier time going back into the quote-unquote straight world where there isn't, you know, sex work, and they're just going to get a 9-to-5 job doing whatever it is that you would prefer them to do. That would also hold true for drug use. If you want drug use to go away, the first thing you could do is decriminalize it so that drug users don't have criminal records. But that's beside the point. I personally think that prostitution should be perfectly legal. It should be legal, it should be regulated, it should be taxed. The regulation should require regular medical checkups, and if a person is found to have a disease, they should be struck from the rolls. And the only time a person should be arrested for prostitution, in my opinion, is if they're doing it when they've been told they can't, which means they're no longer legally allowed to do it, or if they're not registered as a prostitute, so they're not being taxed. Because everybody should pay their taxes. I pay my taxes. I'm sure you pay your taxes. Why shouldn't they? Think how lucrative a tax earning process this could be. Now, like I said, prostitution has been with us for a really long time. It's not going away. We might as well accept this fact, make it safe, regulate it, and, as a society, get something back from it. Not to mention the tax savings we would have, because we wouldn't be arresting these people and racking up criminal cases and jail time and cop hours and all the other falderall. We'd be saving money hand over fist. So, I'm willing to have people now tell me how I'm wrong. I'm getting used to it.